If you're anything like the folks that I meet with week after week all over the globe, maintenance is a budget drain. It's something that is just a thorn in your side year after year. But I want to purport something. What if it could be a funding engine rather than a budget suck? Now, think about this. If we could turn the line items on your maintenance renewal into leverage for you to go to do more innovative and incredible things, ship that AI initiative you've been working on for the last few years. What if maintenance was the way that you could do that? What if partnering with a company like PivIT, who extends the useful life of your gear well beyond the OEM milestone dates, what if that was an option to you? Well, I'm glad to report that it is. That's what I do all day, every day. My entire team, we are focused on extending the useful life of your equipment to make sure that, again, maintenance becomes a funding engine, not a budget suck. If it's interesting to you, if you want to learn more, reach out to our great team here at One Call. We'd love to help you.